Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tommy James in case you're new here, and if you're not new, thank you so very much for coming back to my channel today. So guys, in today's video we'll be making this beautiful hair butter. Alright, hair butter is the most efficient remedy to dry, dull and damaged hair. It restores your hair moisture and keep your hair soft. Alright, so guys, these are the ingredients we'll be needing. We'll be needing our shea butter, of course, and then I'm going to be using 2 major essential oil here. I'm going to be using my extra virgin olive oil and rosemary oil. I'm going to be using just 1 tablespoon each. All right, you can use just about any essential oil you have available. All right, I already have hair butter made by me. I'm showing you right now, although this is undergoing some what's it called, rebranding, and I'm going to show you all in a bit. I used a whole lot of oils here, and it's okay if you want to use 2 or 3 oils. All right, so I just wanted to show you that briefly. I am going to be using this bowl. Make sure that the bowl you're using is very clean. I'm going to be dropping my shea butter into this, and I'm going to place it on very low heat using the double boiling method, like so. So guys, our shea butter is ready. It's all melted, and I'm just going to go in with my essential oils. All right, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon each, depending on how thick or light you want it to be. You can go in with more. All right, I'm just going to go in with 1 tablespoon each. I also decided to add my black Jamaican oil. All right, it's okay to add any essential oil you have available, like I said earlier. So I'm just going to whisk this together so all the ingredients are well incorporated. And so after now, I'm going to put it in the fridge for 5 hours. If your fridge is not available, you can let it set for over the night. That will suffice. So guys, this is give or take 5 hours later, and this is what we have. We already have a fluffy hair butter, and I'm just going to continue whisking until I arrive at the consistency that I want. All right, so guys, this is what we have. I kind of like this consistency. It is not too thick, it is not too light. All right, if you arrived at a very thick consistency, you can just like put in more essential oils. That will suffice. All right, so I'm just going to put it in this. I'm going to store it in this container. All right, so guys, our hair butter is ready. Our super creamy hair butter is ready. This is what you need if you have dry, damaged hair. This will help you. This will restore moisture to your hair and keep your hair soft and healthy. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Until I see all of you super amazing people in my next video, please stay safe. I love you.